Welcome. Today in front of me Realme 9i, and I'll show you that the device comes with a 3.5mm headphones adapter inside the box. So here, as can you see, we got only the Realme charger brick, the USB-C cable, and inside of this paper box we'll see we got the SIM tool and some paperwork and the silicone protective case, and unfortunately we have no here any adapter. So if you wanna use the adapter, you should buy it separately. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.